It's cold and flu season time, and I've got a wonderful recipe for you today to help support your immune system. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we bring health and fun into the kitchen. Today we're going to be making an immune boosting lemongrass pumpkin soup. For our recipe today, you can either use canned or fresh pumpkin. It just depends on what's in season, what's available in your store, and how much time you have. I'm going to actually be using the canned pumpkin today. But if you are going to be using fresh, definitely check out the directions below, as I've listed exactly how to do both. So let's begin with chopping up our lemongrass. I don't know if you've ever used it before in any of your recipes, but it's really easy. And all you have to do is you chop off the hard end, and then you just peel away the hard outer layer. It just peels off super easy. And then you chop it up as usual. We'll be using 2 tablespoons in our recipe today. In a large pot, add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and heat it up over medium heat just for about 1 minute, just until the olive oil gets hot. To your heated oil, let's add in 1 chopped up yellow onion, 3 to 4 minced garlic cloves, which will add a wonderful flavor. But garlic is also excellent in helping either prevent or reduce the severity of colds or the flu. Next, let's add in our chopped up lemongrass, which is excellent for your digestion, and it's also antibacterial and antifungal, which means it may help with colds, coughing, congestion, and the flu. So lemongrass and garlic are amazing to add to your recipes during the flu season. Heat and stir for about 4 minutes until your kitchen starts to smell amazing and your onions begin to soften. Now we're ready to add in the pumpkin. So pumpkin is really high in beta carotene, which means it's wonderful for your immune system. Last, let's add in 4 cups of vegetable broth, which is really rich in nutrients and can also help soothe cold symptoms. Stir everything up really well. Bring it to a boil and then turn down your heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. Remove your soup from the heat and then add in 1 can of either full fat or light coconut milk. Really just depends on how much fat you want to add to your soup. I always go with the full fat because it helps me feel fuller longer. 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger root, which is a wonderful anti-inflammatory, and it's wonderful for your digestion. 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, which is excellent for your circulation. The last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 2 scoops of our clean source collagen powder, which is wonderful for your digestion, your skin, hair, nails, and your joints. Stir up your ingredients really well. Our last step is to blend up your soup until it's smooth and creamy. And you can do this in your regular blender or use a hand blender. I just absolutely recommend letting your soup cool down before you put it in your blender, and then do it in small batches. Okay, I garnished my soup with a little bit of roasted pumpkin seeds and some shredded coconut to give it some texture, but let's give it a taste. This is so good. The flavors just pop in your mouth. That lemongrass is so amazing. And the cayenne pepper also is very warming, especially on a cold day. And it supports your immune system during the cold weather. This is such a wonderful soup, such a healthy soup to make. And then also, if you sit it in your refrigerator overnight and then heat it up again, the flavors are going to pop even more. Definitely give this one a try and let me know how it goes for you. Thanks so much for joining me today. Take great care of yourself, and I will see you next week in the kitchen.